Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is kind of like a get ready with me. I used a Naked Heat palette from Urban Decay because honestly I forgot I owned it and I love the way these eyes came out. This video is kind of a hot mess. If you want to see what I'm talking about, then just keep on watching. Oh god, I literally look like a bum. I just washed my face, so my shirt is completely soaked. My face is nice and moisturized though. And my hair is a mess because this is the same exact bun I slept in. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with the makeup because this is what you came here for. I don't know what I'm doing. What do I want to do? I'm gonna use my Naked Heat palette from Urban Decay because it is gorgeous. It is very popular. Everyone owns this. And we can make some really cute looks from this. So first what I'm going to do is prime my eyes as always using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. And then as always I'm going to set that with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Classic Ivory. My eyebrows are literally such a mess, but I'm going away in less than 2 weeks. I'm going to Panama and I plan on vlogging, but I say that every time I go away and then my camera never comes out. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I figured I would just wait until I go away and get them done because ow, fuck, my skin just got pinched. I'm taking the Morphe E28, which is a big fluffy blending brush, cleaning it off first with my color switch that I got from Sephora. This is something I need when I'm doing eyeshadows. It's amazing. I love it. You just literally take your brush and swirl it on this like sponge and it removes the eyeshadows pretty well. First shade I'm going to take is this one called Low Blow and put that all over my crease, starting from the outer corner and dragging it in. Okay, so that is pretty good. Now what? Oh, great. Why am I like stressed over eyeshadow? I'm going to take this shade Cayenne right here and just add that in my crease as well, but not as high as we just put the shade Low Blow. Just to deepen and warm the crease. Add some definition. Wow, these colors are blending like gold. Gold doesn't blend like butter. I don't know. They look really good and I am shook. I feel like I never used this palette before, but whatever. I'm gonna also add this into my inner corner and build it up. Yeah. I'm kind of just like connecting the inner and outer corner up in my crease, so that it creates kind of like a rainbow shape. I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is from Sigma. This is the Sigma Tapered Blending at E45. Clean this buddy off. I'm taking this shade right here in Fuego. Sorry about my mirror and the ring light. Yeah, right next to Cayenne, and doing the same thing. I'm going to go back with the first brush we used, back with Low Blow, and just kind of blend. Okay, now I'm going to take my finger in this shade Lumbri, this one right here, the shimmery one. It's like a pretty rose gold reflective one. I'm going to take my finger and put it right where we have no other eyeshadow. Oh yeah. I'm taking this eyeliner that I got for Christmas from my sister, soon-to-be sister-in-law Ashley, and it is the Tartiste Pro Rose Gold Liner. I'm taking the glittery end and I'm going to literally just paint it right on top just so it adds more glitter, more shine. I'm going to take this Morphe E. Wait, why did I think this was a Sigma brush? I like these brushes from Morphe though. This collection with like the gold, silver, and tapered end. I don't know. Anyway, this brush from Morphe, which is the E14, and we're going to take the powder that pinched my skin earlier and just run it underneath the brow bone, just so that the edge of the eyeshadow looks just seamless. Wrong way. This is a clean beauty blender, but I don't know what it was sitting on while it was wet, and now it has like letters, like an expiration date, like just printed on it forever. So for foundation, as always, I'm using the Too Faced Perfect Peach in the shade Light Beige. Taking it on my sponge and just going in on my face. It's not, it was, I have a new concealer that I have 3 of them that I got from e.l.f., which is like the Shape Tape dupe. I don't really know, but I'm kind of afraid to try it and it ruins my makeup, but I'm just going to do it anyway. This shade is very, very white. Holy cow, it's white. Doesn't help that I applied so much product either. I'm gonna go in with my Patrick Star powder with MAC because this is a little too dark for me. It's very peach. So hopefully this will help a girl out. Hopefully it'll help oxidize the concealer because that is ghostly. Like, I like a nice little highlight and all, but woo! Like I said before, my eyebrows are a hot freaking mess because I don't see a point in getting them done right now. So whatever, we're going to ignore them and go in with our brow definer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Is this a brow definer? Yeah. You know what? I'm going to take my Brow Wiz. I actually decided to use my Brow Wiz first just to get a more precise outline of my brows. And then I'm going to go in with the brow definer and fill in the rest. Okay, let's work on this mess of a face. I'm going to take my Real Techniques 202 brush, wipe away this white ass powder, oh, doesn't look that bad in person, but definitely looks white as hell in person. I mean, on camera. For my under eyes, I like going in with the small taper blending brush from Sigma. I'm going to take a mix of Cayenne and Low Blow again and just drag it all under my eyes. So for bronzer, I'm going to be using my Laguna bronzer from NARS, and using a lot of this to like balance my skin back out from that horrible shade of the concealer. For blush, I'm using the Tea Rose blush from Milani, which looks like this, really cute little flower packaging. What I need to do, set my face. Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. For highlight, I'll be using my Becca highlight in the shade Champagne Pop. Taking some clear brow gel. setting my eyebrows. I'm going to take this NYX Mechanic eyeliner.
Oh my god!
Curl my eyelashes. I'm like really mad at myself for using this concealer when I knew it was too light, because I feel like my whole makeup is ruined now. Mascara. Lash Sensational from Maybelline. So I think this looks a lot better than I am giving it credit for. I just am looking at the viewfinder and it really does not look that great at all, because my face is so white. But I think the eyes look really good. I'm going to go fix my hair because, well, look at it. And then I'm going to come back and we could do the lips and then we're all done. Okay, I'm finally back. My hair is done. I think it looks a hot mess. Today's just a hot mess day. But whatever, it's going to have to do. I'm going to finish up my lips and then head out because I have to go to work. So I'm just going to use this liquid lip from L'Oreal. It's an infallible lip paint. In the shade Festival. I actually really love this. It's good, really good. I'm going to use this lip liner from Makeup Forever in wherever Walnut. It's actually new, so I have to open it. Gonna put this over top. So I took my hair down because it looked a hot mess, but yeah, this is the look that I came up with for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and subscribe. Also, ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. I'm going to try to upload every week. I skipped last week by accident. It wasn't by accident, I was just lazy. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.